But these rose-colored glasses do wonders when there's a spark. I thought I'd be the one to make you wanna change your life, make you wanna take a wife. Oh, I could be your Joan of Arc. It's enough for me if there's a spark. Eh, on ton, te dom, ti. On ton, te do, eh, on ton, te dom, ti. On ton, te dom. Eh, on ton, te dom, ti. On ton, te do, eh, on ton, te dom, ti. On ton, te dom. Maybe I got someplace to go. Ever think about that? Maybe I'm just lost again. Yeah, I think about that.
Left to rise, buzz like crazy. Everybody's trying to steal my lady. Spiders in the mirror and things can't be right. Back to the scene of a Friday night, to a blessed collision still frozen tight. Spill drink as Cupid and the sound of her first chime. And why did you argue? Dreaming of those eyes, the best part of my life. And when we make love, babe, the world don't make a sound. The clock won't turn around. Ooh, you turn around. You slowing things down when I wanted to race, catching up again when you chant to chase. Feels like we're playing space. Always find a way to.
Young and fragile, like a bird in the sky. And I'm old like gravel. I've been kicked around too many times. I'd never hurt you if I could. So you let your guard down. You're like a glass of wine that's clouding up my mind. And you captivate me. And you captivate me. And I'm getting lost in the beautiful prison in your eyes. Oh, you captivate me. Oh, you captivate me. And if you let me, love to come on in and stay a while. I looked at you and you smiled at me, and then I know that there is something more to this than we. 'Cause I just got out and you've never been. So let's start over and let love begin. Oh, you captivate me. Oh, you captivate me. And I'm getting lost in the beautiful prison in your Oh, you captivate me. And if you'd let me, love to come on in and stay a while. No, you captivate me.